I consider Entrada the best. We're the only true private club in St. George. We make sure that every member who pays their dues here is taken care of. From the time you start to the time you finish, we're here to make your experience extraordinary. You get the black lava rock and you get the red mountains with Snow Canyon, that beautiful white mountain behind you. You just don't get that everywhere.
And then the course is phenomenal. The grass is perfectly manicured. The greens are fast, but they're beautiful. And it's a challenge for you as a golfer.
Hole number 3 is unique because you're hitting back towards Snow Canyon.
A tee shot over the water, it's picturesque. Definitely like brings out the scenery in St. George. It's a tough hole. Got to play it up, got to play long, and it's fun. You got to pull out the driver and swing it.
The greens were very fast on the putt, but unreal, very well kept course, just breathtakingly beautiful.
Hole 7, got to play straight. There's a lot of water to your left, water to your right.
Beautiful hole, waterfalls on the left, bunkered well. It's just beautiful, beautiful design.
It's like a short dog leg right there at the end, so play it out to the left just a hair and you'll be all right.
Hole 8 is a demon. It is just a hard hole. It's a long par 3, and if you can make par there, you've done pretty well. I oftentimes am content with a bogey.
Hole 8 is like St. George, Greater Zion area to a tee. You tee off up high and hope you hit the green. I did hit the green on my second shot at least.
It's quiet and it's peaceful and it's so pretty.
I see calendar pictures and postcard pictures on every hole. It's just so gorgeous.
It's golf heaven. It's the one thing you can say. If you are trying to go on a golf trip, St. George is the place to come to play golf.